Welcome to our fitness center, where you'll be learning while exercising. Physical activity actually grows brain cells, and you also learn and remember more when you add physical activity and movement. So here in the fitness center, we are moving our minds through movement because we know that healthy, active kids make better learners. You'll rotate between two sides. The first side is called core and cardio. Cardio, or cardiorespiratory fitness, refers to the ability of your heart, lungs, and blood vessels to supply oxygen to your working muscles. Many consider it the most important component of fitness, and it's one of the best indicators of overall health. Cardio activities include continuous activities when your body uses oxygen for fuel, like biking or jogging. The core is the center of control for every movement the body does. The core muscles are the muscles in the stomach, back, and hips. Core muscles help you balance, coordinate your movements, jump, and even sit up straight in a chair. Core muscles are essential for some of the most fun adventure activities like skating, snowboarding, and surfing. We call the other side mind and muscles. You'll learn and build muscle endurance while using these machines. You'll work on legs, back, chest, abdominal, shoulder, and arm muscles while moving through the exercises. Our goal is to keep our minds and muscles strong enough to accomplish all of our daily tasks and live an active and healthy lifestyle. When you enter the fitness center, you'll be sent to a numbered station with one other student at either the core and cardio or the mind and muscle side. You'll then exercise for 2 minutes at that station, and then the timer will remind you when those 2 minutes are up. And after those 2 minutes are up, it will remind you to rotate forward to the next numbered station on that same side. You'll exercise for 4 stations on your side, spending a total of 8 minutes exercising before you responsibly switch to the other side. After those 4 stations on your starting side, you'll have 30 seconds to carefully rotate to the other side to the same numbered exercise. For example, if you ended on the number 3 station at the core and cardio side, you'll rotate to the number 3 station at the mind and muscle side. Each partner group will have a fitness center facts sheet to review on the mind and muscle side. The partner on the balance board reads the sheet to themselves or to their partner on the fitness equipment. The partner on the equipment can try to answer the questions from your sheet while they're exercising. You'll switch who's on the balance board reading your fitness center facts sheet and who's on the machine after each 2-minute station. The partner on the balance board will also get a balance workout while they are reading the sheet. You'll return the sheets to one of the sheet holders on the wall when you finish at the mind and muscle side. Now we'll go over the equipment and rules for each side and station. Let's start with the core and cardio side. The core and cardio side is marked in red and has indoor and outdoor stations. For all the machines in this station, you must stand away from the equipment while they're in use, use responsibly and in control, keep your hands on the grips, and wait until it comes to a complete stop before stepping off, and check that everyone at the station has stopped moving before rotating to the next station. To work the computers at those stations, push the set or reset button and hold for 5 seconds. This will reset the data. Then begin riding or striding. Computers record speed, time, distance, calories, and heart rate. Do not adjust resistance levels on the dials. Resistance levels on the ellipticals stay at level 2. On the ellipticals and skiers, carefully place both your feet on the pedals and both of your hands on the grips. Remember to carefully step off and make sure everyone is done exercising before rotating forward to the next machine. Keep a slow to medium speed on the ellipticals and skiers. On the bikes, stay seated while riding and do not try to pedal as fast as you can. To see your heart rate, keep your hands on the silver parts of the grip. At the snowboarder station, face forward and grab the handles with both hands. Then step on the snowboard with both feet. Slightly bend your knees and responsibly swing and twist from side to side. Always be sure to hold two handles and keep both feet on the board. When finished, come to a complete stop and continue to hold the handles as you step off. At the surfboard station, carefully step on the boards and balance as you move the marble through the figure 8 and the waves on the board. At the core mat station, use your core strength to complete the challenges on the mats. And at the spoonerboard station, follow the station card instructions on how to move safely as you responsibly try the moves. Now let's move to the mind and muscle side, marked in blue, which has 7 machines and 7 balance boards inside. At this station, you'll push and pull the handles responsibly. On the seated hydraulic machines, the resistance increases the faster you try to move. If it's too hard, move slower. To stay safe, stay in your designated area and safely perform the exercises as instructed and explained in this video. At the chest press and row, you'll sit with your back firmly against the backrest, and then press forward and pull back. At the seated row and press, sit with your chest against the pad, and grab the handles to push out and pull in. On the ab curl and back extension, you'll sit with your back firmly against the backrest while grabbing the handles and your elbows on the pads. Your feet should be hooked under the foam pads. Then you'll curl your body together using your abdominals and then extend your back to the starting position. At the leg extension and leg curl, you'll sit and put your lower legs between the foam pads. Then you'll grab the handles on each side and begin to raise and lower your legs. On the shoulder press and lat pull down, you'll sit with your back firmly against the backrest, reach behind to grab the handles, and then press up and pull down. At the kneel and swim, you'll first kneel on your knees on the foam pad and grab both handles. Do not adjust the resistance. Use your core muscles to responsibly twist your trunk while spinning the handles. Continue to twist and spin while kneeling. Remember to always take care of yourself, others, and this place. You are now ready to safely and responsibly exercise and learn in our fitness center.